Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all? I hope all are safe, all are cool and dandy. Alhamdulillah. Can't complain about myself. Everything is going much better. However, welcome to another lesson. Today I'm going to share you a very special thing, a special sentence pattern that you can use in your daily conversation, because you know that there are a lot of people in our country that just want to speak English properly like a native speaker. So this video class will help you to speak English naturally, confidently, and definitely like the native speaker. And today we will just learn this twice sentence pattern. And the very first one is subject plus can plus V1 plus object. We know that. So whenever we just try to speak any kind of language, like our mother language, we often use this structure, like subject plus can plus verb plus object. So we can just use it and we can just make sentences with this structure. You will be able to read minimum 1 million sentences with this structure. Okay, so subject, we just can use this I, and we have to use the can, and after that we have to use the base form of the verb, because we know that can is a modal auxiliary. So we know that the rules of the grammar, and that is we have to use the base form of the verb after every single modal. So definitely we have to use the base form of the verb. Okay, so I can, we can just use do. I can do the work. I can help you. I can go there. I can make food. I can lots of things, something like that. Okay, so whatever you can, you will just use the verb after can. Okay, but if you are not able to do that, then you have to use the not, and we have to use the not with the modal. All right, so cannot. So you can just use I cannot do the work. I cannot help you. I cannot make food properly. So if you just want to make more naturally, we can just use the contraction of the cannot, like can't. If you like the American accent, then you can just use can't, or if you like the British accent, then you can say can't. Both are correct, both pronunciation is right. So if you like American, you can say can't. Okay, so I can't, I just prefer the American accent, then I often use can't. So I can't do the work. I can't help you. I can't make food. I can't speak English. All right, so I can speak English. I can't speak English. I can do the work. I can't do the work. All right, so I hope you understand all the things. So that's all for today. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Stay with Let's Speak English Facebook page and YouTube channel, and definitely I will make lots of video class for you about the spoken English and IELTS tips and the right pronunciation of the English word and sentences as well. So till then, take care. See you in the next class. Bye bye.